Sometimes you will hear people say subconscious mind, conscious mind, superconscious mind. That is incorrect, because it will lead you to believe that you have three minds. You do not. In fact, you don't have a mind, because you are a point of awareness in the one mind. There is only, everything always boils down to the one. There is only one mind, and that mind is the mind of God. What you are is a point of awareness. But we need language to be able to discuss how it is that our minds process these God ideas and then press them out into expression. The superconscious phase of mind, or the superconscious aspect of your being, is the aspect of your being that is constantly being impressed with the ideas of God. So it is the part of you that is in receipt of the idea called love. It is the part of you that is in receipt of the idea called peace. It is the part of you that is in receipt of the idea called joy. These ideas are perfect. They are intangible.